Hi guys, Saransh Madan this side. I have just completed my economics honors. After doing my economics honors, I wanted to start my career with finance field, right? But a economics honors graduate cannot just like go into the finance field just like that. We need to do a specific practical training program for that, right? This is when I came to know about the financial modeling course offered by Investment Banking Institute, that is in Patel Nagar. The faculty of Investment Banking Institute, that is Mr. Ankur Kaur sir, Mr. Manoj Kumar sir, they guided me through all the things that I need to do in the financial modeling course because I was from a different field. I was not from a commerce background, right? When I came to know about everything, I took a decision to start it. And they also told me that after I complete my course, they would give me placement assessment for 3 years free of cost, right? And after I completed my course, I was offered various openings. Also, before applying to those openings, we were guided how to create a good resume, good CV, because CV is something that represents yourself in the companies before even your interview, right? And before we could give our interview, there were several mock interview rounds that were taken by Mr. Manoj Kumar sir. He used to guide in the mock interview round that what mistakes are you personally doing and what points you need to majorly focus on. He also created some YouTube videos that guided us how to go through financial mock interviews or financial interviews. Those videos and that guidance offered by the faculty of Investment Banking Institute helped me to get through my very first interview, and I was selected in my first interview as a financial analyst. If you are also looking for some entry level opportunities in the finance background and you are thinking to start your career in the finance field, I would strongly recommend you to go to Investment Banking Institute and get the details of the course. They will provide you all the necessary information, for example, how to build financial models from scratch, pitch books, company profiling, M&A, merger and acquisitions, and everything that you need to start your career in finance field. Also, they will give you free placement assistance for 3 years. So I think you should go for it.